Okay friends, so today we're going to be doing a very exciting video. I'm going to be unboxing a whole box of the Animal Crossing Amiibos for Season 4. So I recently did Season 1, and if you've missed that, I'll link it up above. But this one I have the actual like album for it. So these weren't very popular in the US. I mean, I know Season 1 was because I picked it up and everything, but for some reason like certain things like this sold better in the UK and other countries. So I had to buy these on eBay, and they've been out for a while, but I'm still very excited. So we have the photo album, and then it also came with this little pack. So we're gonna open this first before starting on the box itself. Okay, so this contains 3 Amiibo cards according to the package. So let's see. Okay, cute. Tammy. Ooh, Timmy, holographic Timmy, and then just random piece of paper. So it's 3 cards. Okay, so what did it say? So that's great. Alright, so I am excited. I love Tammy, but I don't think I've ever had her as a villager. I did pre-order the new Animal Crossing Switch. Let me know down below if you guys are going to be picking up New Horizons, because I am so excited. Alright, so I'm going to put the album aside for a second. I'm going to open it from the bottom because I don't want to keep popping it open. How did he think open those holes? So we have 18 packs in here, and I'm just going to get started with the first one. Okay. These are so cute. I don't even want to open them, but I will. Alright, so here we go. Let's see. Alright, so we got Lucky, super cute. Gloria, Annalise, Celia, Goldie. I love Goldie. And we have Gracie. Oh, super cute. She's holographic. So this is good. Gloria looks funny with that hair. Celia. I don't think I've ever had Annalise personally in any of my villages, so that is good. I'm excited. No doubles yet. I'm gonna have a special pile for doubles. So now we're gonna move on to the next pack. Okay, so we already have a double. So we have Barlow, Poppy, Walt. I like Walt. Annabelle, super cute. Fang, I remember Fang. And Brewster, who owns the coffee shop. I love Brewster. I love the music in the coffee shop. So we have our first double. Okay. So we have Becky. I've never seen Becky before. Robin. Lucy. Lucy looks so cute. Eric. Never seen Eric before. Pashmina. Cool. And Zipper. Oh, I love it. Holographic Zipper. These are cute. I honestly don't recognize a lot of these. I played Animal Crossing very consistently, and then I would always have a habit of deleting my village. Don't ask me why. I thought it would be fun to start all over again when really it isn't. And then I lost my motivation to keep playing, at least with New Leaf. So, I mean, I've gone back to the village and revisited, but I don't know. I guess I just burned myself out. But now I'm definitely going to do things differently so that I don't keep having that problem. Alright, so let's go on to the next pack. Alright, so we have Frogburt. Frogburt, cool. Pee-wee. So this guy looks cute. I've never seen him before. I like it. Boone. Ooh, I've never seen Boone either. The names sound familiar, but for some reason the art doesn't. Mallory, I definitely remember you. And Lottie. Oh, how cute. Lottie's adorable. Huh. Alright, awesome. So we don't have any doubles yet, as far as I can tell. Watch me find out at the end. Alright, so we have O'Hare. Cute. Oh, we have a double. We have Lucky. Sally. Did we get Sally already? Okay, we definitely got Goldie already. We definitely got Annabelle already. Ooh, we have Red. Awesome. Cool. I love Red. He's such a sneaky little character, but super cool. I never actually ended up filling up like the gallery portion of the museum because I never cared for it. So in New Leaf, there's a lot of fakes, and he tries to kind of sell you on it, but you won't know it's a fake unless you like get guides or you go to the store and then try to like donate it or sell it. But cool. I'm happy. Okay, so for this pack we have Lobo, cool. Sydney, she's so cute. Annalise, so that is a double. Celia, another double. Fang, another double. And Timmy, another double. right? I got Timmy earlier. Let me just recheck that real quick. I have a pile here. So I just double checked and we do have 2 of the Timmy characters, which is fine. All right, so now we're gonna move on. This is so exciting. I can't wait to put them in the album. All right, we have Tank. Cool. We have Purr, right? Pearl. Is it Pearl? Yeah, I think it's Pearl. We have Poppy again, or Puppy, depending on your accent. We have Mallory. We have Mott. Oh, I love Mott. And we have Red again. Okay, so we do have a couple doubles, but this is cute. I don't remember Pearl. Right? Am I saying that right? Sorry, guys. I don't know all these names. I love Mallory. I definitely had her before. I had these 2 villagers, but I didn't have these. And then obviously Red. All right, awesome. Too long. All right, Sydney. Aurora. Oh, how cute. Look at those deep black eyes. Oh my god, Pietro. Pietro? Pietro? So we have Pietro. We have Graham. Pinky. Rossetti. Oh, I love Rossetti. Sydney and Aurora. Okay, cool. I was thrown off by this one. I don't recall ever seeing this one. But villagers are randomly selected in the game, so that might be why. But super cute. It's like a fun little clown shape. Okay, I think we're more than halfway done. So let's carry on. Okay, we got Lobo again. Borrowed. This is the 3rd double we have. Oh my gosh, Peggy, you're so cute. Sucker, I love this. We have Graham. Wait, did we just... Okay, Graham and then Celeste. Hold on. Did we get 2 Grahams in one, or am I just imagining that? Okay, I'm imagining that. I think the color just threw me off. All right, cool. I'm excited. Oh, she's so cute. Never seen her before, but she's really cute, so I'm happy. Let's continue on. All right, we got Tank again, Aurora again, Pietro again, Pinky. Oh my goodness, I skipped ahead. Sorry, Rudy. We got Rudy, and we got Isabel. Oh my gosh. I'm happy. These 3 were just like right in the other one. Okay. We got Twiggy looking super cute. Oops. We got Grizzly. I remember Grizzly. We got Puddles. Oh, I love her little heart outfit. Queenie. Queenie was definitely one of my favorites. She's been in almost every single one of my town versions before deleting them all. Pierce. Super cute. Gulliver. I love it. I'm so excited. Gulliver's so cute. I hope he has like a bigger role in New Horizons other than just, you know, being washed up on a beach. Almost. All right, we're almost there, you guys. If you're still with me at this part of this video, I am super thankful because I have a feeling this might be taking a while. But I love these types of videos. All right. Oh, Gail. I love Gail. She's so cute. Meow. Super cute. All these outfits are just screaming Valentine's Day to me. It matches my background. Tammy, Sally, Shep. Oh, I've never seen this one. Super cute. Look at that hair. Then we have Lottie again. They just get cuter and cuter. I love Tammy. I remember Sally. I don't remember this guy. Look at that outfit. Super cool. Okay, so we're down to like the last 3 packs. So I'm just going to push through. My camera's starting to overheat a little bit, but that's okay. We have Callie. Cute. Bruce. Static. I remember Static. Rod. Oh my gosh, I haven't seen Rod in forever. Rod is cute. Another Mallory. And another Timmy. Okay, I totally lied. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more packs to go. Oops. Alright, let's keep going. So we have another repeat, no problem, because she's super cute. Alright, I've never seen this hippo in my life. Look at those teeth. Super cute though. We have another Aurora, Mira, looking like a superhero bunny. I like it, super cute. We have Stitches, Karina, which is cool. She has like those fortune teller vibes, and she's holographic. So that's cool. I like this pack. Again, never seen him, but he looks snazzy, so I'm excited. So usually when I say that I've never seen these characters, I mean it mostly in terms of like actual residents in any of the villages I've had throughout like Animal Crossing and Wild World and the GameCube version, which I didn't really play that much, honestly. Nibbles. Oh my gosh, she has a watermelon shirt. Cute. Or he. I don't know. Puddles. Awesome. Tammy. So we have a couple repeats already. Melba. Oh, she's so cute. I love that. Frida. How adorable is she? Look at that scarf. I love it. Okay, Gulliver, we got you again. Okay, that's a pretty good pack right there. I want to see how many we're going to be missing from the entire collection after doing this. And the only way to find out is for me to put it in the book just to see what I'm missing. But either way, I'm excited. We do have a ton of doubles at this point, but we've opened up 18 packs, so that's no surprise. We have Rizzo. Cool. Angus. It's so cute. Sylvia. Ribot. Pierce again. And Lottie. This is cool. Never seen Angus before. Or at least not in my village, but I like them. And I like Sylvia, but I remember seeing one like this that was pink. I forgot her name, but I really love her. I can't figure out. When I find out, I'll put it in the description. So we have Simon the monkey. Cool. O'Hare again. Celia again. Brofina. Peaches. How adorable. And then we have Gracie again. I love Peaches. I love the outfit too. Awesome. Wow. Okay, so that went by pretty fast. So we are at the last stack right here, you guys. Watch it be full of just non-stop repeats, but that's okay. It's all in the fun. Oh no, we started off with someone I don't know. Rowan. Got Rowan. Yeah, we got Rod again. Walt, I think we already have you. This one's new. Rocco. Mont, we got already. And Brewster. I am so happy. This was so much fun. Now I gotta figure out all the doubles and all that stuff. And I don't know if I should combine this with putting it all in the binder. I think I should put this as a separate video. I wish I could do a poll right here. Let's see. Let me figure out the double situation and then we'll see what we're doing. Okay, so I didn't do a good job of organizing it. Well, these are some of the doubles, but then I still have a whole deck here. So we're gonna save this for part 2. So this was part 1, unboxing 18 packs of the Animal Crossing Amiibo Season 4. And then in my next installment, we will put them into the binder. Chances are many of my subscribers aren't going to be interested in this type of video anyway, and if you made it to the end, I really appreciate it. But I will see you guys next time for another video. Look at all that trash. And there's more here. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys.